There are people out there right now making 6 and even 7 figures a month from selling their own products on Amazon. And they're able to make that much because they have world-class branding that completely crushes their competition. Before 2026, if you wanted to be able to create something that could actually compete with some of those big brands, you'd need a serious design budget just to stand out visually. You'd need top-tier skills to negotiate with the best suppliers, and you'd need a deep understanding of Ecom to even figure out how you could stand out. But now, thanks to AI, you can honestly make it look like you've got all of that, and you can go from idea to your first sale in under a month. No design background, no massive upfront investment, just using the right tools and the right process. And that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video, step by step, how to go from picking a product to building a brand around it to creating your listing images and videos and any related content, all using AI. But before we dive in, if you're new here, I'm Janson. I run Honest Brands, where we help new and existing ecom brands start and scale on Amazon, TikTok, and Shopify, all using AI. So if you need help with any of that, check us out in the description below. Now, quickly, before we get into this, a lot of the tools that I'm going to be walking through in this video are paid tools. Things like Helium 10, ChatGPT, various other AI tools, research tools, and all of that kind of stuff. Now, instead of paying for loads of separate subscriptions, what you can do is get access to most of them through account sharing tools like Luxury Tools. It costs $30 a month, and it gives you access to a whole suite of tools instead of having to pay individually for each one. So if you don't want to spend hundreds per month on software, it's definitely worth checking out. The link's in the description. All right, let's get right on into it. Step 1, finding a winning product. Now, everything starts with the product on Amazon. If you get this part wrong, nothing else really matters, no matter how good your branding is. The most important thing to understand here when you are selling on Amazon is that you're not creating demand. You are tapping into demand that already exists. People go onto Amazon and they shop with intent. They are actively searching for something that they want to buy. They just don't know who they want to buy it from yet. So on the Amazon platform, your job isn't to educate and then convince people about why they might need a product. Instead, it's to make sure that you're going to be selling something that people are already looking for, that has an opportunity where you can come in and beat all of the competition in terms of the branding, the offer, and all of that. So that is why checking and verifying demand is everything. Now, instead of guessing what products have the most demand on Amazon, what we can do is actually follow the data, and we can get that data from Helium 10, in particular their black box tool. So to get access to it, all you need to do is head to helium10.com, sign up for an account, and then do products, and then go into black box. And this basically works like a big Google search database, but of Amazon products. So we've made sure that products is selected here. I'm going to select the UK market, but you can do the US, Canada, Mexico, and so on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select advanced instead of simple. This allows us to select way more filters, which gives us a lot more control over the type of products that we're actually shown. So the first filter that you'll always want to select is the category one. And you can either just go by what categories interest you, or you can tick the most popular categories, which are going to be baby, beauty, DIY and tools, garden, grocery, and health and personal care, home and kitchen. Now, there are lots of other ones in here, but a lot of these are associated with large, bulky products, or products that might just be associated more with problems, so not being beginner friendly. The next filter that I typically like to look at is the shipping size. We want to go for small oversize, large oversize, small letter, large letter, basically anything that indicates that the product isn't huge and therefore is not going to cost like loads to ship, store, and fulfill. The next filter that I like to play around with is the number of images filter. So this is basically where you can specify that you only want to be shown products that have a certain amount of images on them. And this is really helpful to do because Amazon gives you as many as 7 image slots. So if we put 4 here, that means that we're only going to be shown products that have as many as 4 images. They're leaving like money or images on the table. So the listing isn't optimized. So that's something really good because that means that we can spot listings that aren't optimized because of this filter, and we can find an opportunity for us to come in and absolutely trash the competition. Now, the next thing that we'll want to do is the price. We don't want to go for products that are super cheap because the margin, the actual amount of profit that you make per unit is going to be too low. And in a climate where Amazon's fees are continuing to rise, ad costs are going up, and so on and so on, profit is super, super important, especially margin. So let's go for a minimum of £25 and above. And then the final filter that I'm going to apply, but you can see there's tons more for you to play around with, is the revenue. So I only want to see product listings that have got a minimum of £10,000 £1,000 per month, in addition to all of these other filters that I've specified. So let's hit search and see what we get. All right, so straight away, Helium 10 has given us a list of 500 products to look through. And for each product that's shown, you can see the price point, you can see the revenue generated, the number of reviews, and so on and so on. So there's tons of different ideas here. Obviously, not every single one is going to be a good idea. You generally want to look for products that aren't in niches that are dominated by worldwide brands with like very deep prop pockets. So Adidas, Nike, and all of that. And yeah, the more that you do this exercise, the more you'll kind of get attuned to what products look good and what products are just not suitable. So let's have a skim down here and let's see what we can find. All right, so one of the products that has just kind of caught my eye is this jug kettle with an LED display. It's priced at £200 and it's doing 30k a month. Now, the reason that this has kind of just jumped out to me is in quite a like competitive niche for sure, is I have on occasion on TikTok anyway, seen some of these like new kettles that have come out that have got like Alexa inbuilt and they're known as smart kettles. So I'm thinking, you know, if I'm going to be doing a tutorial that involves AI, maybe we could find a kettle of some sort that is also AI inbuilt and knows when you're coming home and can, you know, turn itself on. I don't know. So let's just go with that for our example, doing a smart AI kettle. Now that we've got our product idea, we can now move on to the next stage, which is going to be building a really cool brand around it using AI. Now, this is the part where so many people that sell on Amazon go wrong. They just look to copy and paste a product onto Amazon and then hope that it sells. No branding, no positioning, no real reason for any customer to choose them over all the hundreds of other competitors. So what we're going to do now is use AI to build a real proper brand around our smart kettle. Using the prompt shown on the screen now that I'm also going to put in the description box below, head to ChatGPT or whichever LLM it is that you are planning on using, paste it in, and where it says insert product, you want to type the name of the actual product that you are looking into. Then you also want to say analyze the current competition on Amazon, and then brackets, put in the marketplace of Amazon that you're planning on selling in. So we're going to say UK marketplace here. You then want to make sure that you actually select web search so it knows to crawl the web for its ideas. And then for the model, you want to go on thinking, so it takes a bit of time to put together its analysis. After you've done that, press send prompt. We've now been given a deep dive on the smart kettle market, and we've also been given a comparison chart of everyone that's selling on Amazon, as well as some branding, positioning, and messaging gaps, which is exactly what we want to be looking at when thinking about how we're going to develop our product. And then we've been given 3 differentiated brand concepts. Now, I was just looking at this and I thought this one was a really good concept. The reliable smart home, no faff brand. And I really like this name here, Kettle IQ. We've got our target audience, we've got the USP, we've got pretty much everything we need to now start creating our brand. Believe me when I say this is an absolute gift. This type of analysis would have taken weeks just a year ago. We're not just selling a standalone product anymore, we're selling a branded product that people can connect with. Now, this is where we bring our brand to life. Again, using the prompts that I'm showing on the screen right now, we're going to head back to ChatGPT and see what we can cook. All right, so I've pasted the prompt into ChatGPT and I've added the necessary details. So I've told it I like concept 2 and the name Kettle IQ. I've told it I'm selling a smart kettle, just in case it forgot. And then I've also listed some competitor or inspiration brands that I really like, that I want it to look at when kind of coming up with our logo and our branding design. So we're now going to scroll down. We're going to make sure that search is still selected, thinking is still selected, and then we're going to press send prompt. We've now been given a ton of additional analysis on those brands that I listed, as well as various brand directions, a suggested brand direction, which I really like, color palette, font face recommendation, logo ideas, as well as an AI logo generator prompt. So let's copy that in. I'm not even going to bother reading it. I just want to see what is given to us when we put it into Nano Banana. Let's have a look. Now, to access Nano Banana, I'm using Magnifique, which is free pick, just renamed. So there's a link for that below, or you can access it via Luxury Tools. All you do when you log in is you go to image generation. We're going to paste in the prompt that we got from ChatGPT. We want to make sure that model that is selected is Nano Banana Pro. If it goes onto auto, it just decides for itself. And in my experience, it often goes for models that are just no good. So let's just type in Nano Banana Pro here. We're then going to scroll to the bottom, and I want to see 4 different variants. We're going to do 1 by 1, and the quality we're going to do 2K. Let's see what we can cook. All right, so we've got our 4 logo variants, and I even asked ChatGPT to have a go itself. I actually really like this style here. The only thing I don't like is the like that I don't know what that is. It looks like a cigarette and that. And what I like from this one is the little Wi-Fi logo. So I think what I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT to swap the dot of the I for a Wi-Fi logo. Bosh. Now that we've got our logo sorted, we can move on to the next step, which is finding a supplier. Now, fortunately, this part is pretty straightforward. You just head to Alibaba.com. You type in the product that you want. You want to make sure that you've selected verified supplier, and then you will basically want to look through all of the options that come up, and you want to message each one asking them about minimum order quantities, whether they can do any amendments that you want, whether that be to the design, the packaging, or the functionality. And if you need any more guidance than that, just plug in this prompt here into ChatGPT and it will give you a template message that you can send that should help you get all of the information that you need. Whichever product that you like the look of on Alibaba, just make sure that you save an image of it, because you're going to be needing that for the next step, which is where we're going to be creating our Amazon listing images. Now, these images are super important because this is where the conversions happen. The vast majority of people won't be reading your bullet points or your listing description. Instead, they'll be paying really close attention to your images. So just like before, I've got a prompt that you can copy and paste in. You want to go through it and just make sure that you change everything or you update it for the product and the audience that you're going for. And once you've done that, hit enter. We've now been given our full recommended image set. So the only thing left to do now is ask for a nano banana prompt to be able to generate each image in full. Now that we've got those prompts, the next thing we need to do is copy and paste them individually into Nano Banana Pro, making sure that we attach our logo and the actual image of the kettle that we're going to be ordering. How sick are these? All made in the space of 5 minutes. Honestly, we don't realize how lucky we are. So now that we've got those, we now want to move on to our video, which is going to be used for ads and also on our Amazon listing. Now, don't worry, you don't need to film any of this yourself. What we're going to be doing to get really creative is using Higgsfield's marketing suite. Again, this is a tool that you can access through Luxury Tools. Now, what the marketing suite allows you to do is generate a ton of different videos all in under 10 minutes. I'm talking clean product videos for your Amazon listing, creative scroll stopping ads, and UGC style content that actually converts, all from just a single script and of course your product. Now, before we dive into Higgsfield, we need to get our scripts together. So what are we going to use? Yep, we've got my prompts for ChatGPT. So after doing that, I've now got 3 different video ideas to use with Higgsfield's marketing suite. So we're going to go to Higgsfield, we're going to go to the marketing studio. We're then going to paste in the prompt for our TV spot ad. I want to change the aspect ratio. Let's change that one to 16:9. 15 seconds. We're going to attach the product. We're going to paste in a description of the product that I just generated with ChatGPT, press create, select it. We're then going to choose our avatar. You can create one yourself or choose one of the existing ones. We're going to choose this one here, and then we're going to press generate. I'm then going to repeat that for the other 2 prompts that I've been given. This time we're going to select wildcard, and then for the third one, I'm going to select UGC. And just like that, we have created a brand with 6, 7, or even 8-figure potential in under half an hour. How crazy is that? All right, so now that those have been generated, let's watch them together and hopefully we're going to be blown away.
Okay, why did nobody tell me smart kettles could actually be useful? I'm always rushing in the morning and I used to just stand here waiting for the kettle like an idiot. Now I schedule it or just say kettle on and it's ready when I get downstairs. This is Kettle IQ, smart without the faff. It's on Amazon.
Imagine your kettle started before you did. Kettle IQ lets you schedule your boil from the app. Control it by app, voice, or button. No faff, no waiting around. Kettle IQ, smart without the faff. Shop now on Amazon.
Still waiting around for the kettle to boil? Meet Kettle IQ, the smart kettle you can control by app, voice, or button. Schedule your morning boil, choose the right temperature, and keep smart control simple. Kettle IQ, smart without the faff. Shop now on Amazon.
How awesome were those? All done near perfectly, apart from the fact that one of them was saying fast instead of faff, but that is all fixable in post-production. And just like that, that's it. We've done it all using AI. We've now got everything that we need. A product backed by real demand, a properly thought out brand, high quality listing images, an awesome set of videos that we can use for ads and on our product listing, all built in under half an hour using AI. And this is exactly how you create a $1 million looking brand without needing a massive team, big budget, or years of experience. Because the reality is, a year or two ago, doing all of that would have cost you tens of thousands, if not more. Now you can do it all yourself in under an hour. That is such an awesome opportunity. Now, if you are looking to build your own brand and you want to be shown in more detail, step by step, of how to do everything properly, from product research to supplier sourcing to brand building and all of that jazz, that is exactly what we help with inside Honest Brands. So if you want help building a brand or even scaling a brand using AI, check out the link in the description below. That is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know of any other requests for video topics, whatever, in the comments. See you next time.